you need to understand that there are two fundamental things with art: the artwork itself and our connection to it. In fact, I always ask myself, how could we better understand and appreciate a work of art? And I found the answer. The best way to do it is to paint it yourself. In this art class, I will share never-before-seen tips for approaching painting, the multiple techniques, the methods of painting, and the tools used, sometimes even invented by famous artists of our time. And I will teach you how to paint like them. I am going to teach you painting techniques, artists' tricks, and give you tips to develop your own creativity. May you want to experience with art, learn more about artists and their techniques, or even if you are an artist who wants to find deeper inspirations and develop your skills, this class is for you. During my workshops, I will help you build a personal collection of some of today's most iconic artworks, and something absolutely unique, you will have painted them yourself. Anyone can do it by following simple step-by-step instructions, even without ever having held a paintbrush in their hand. This is the secret of my teaching. My workshops are based on exceptional postmodern and contemporary paintings that anyone could paint. Since 2016 in Geneva, hundreds of participants have painted their own artworks thanks to my step-by-step explanations, and the results are amazing. Many people think that you have to be talented or to follow academic studies in order to draw or paint well. It is enough to know a variety of possible techniques.